Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Baby Cook That Thang, and today I'm very excited because we're making scrambled eggs. Now, why would I be excited about scrambled eggs? Because you've never had scrambled eggs like these in your life. This is gonna blow your face off your mind. Trust me, this is, oh my god, silky smooth. It only takes like 2, 3, 4 minutes, something like that. If you want scrambled eggs this smooth, usually it'll take you like 20 minutes, but this is a quick, beautiful thing. All right, so for this perfect scrambled eggs recipe, you want to start off with 2 knobs of butter in a cold pan. Very important, has to be a cold pan. This is loosely based on Gordon Ramsay's scrambled eggs recipe, but way easier. I'll explain in the video. Anywho, add 3 eggs to your cold pan. Heat should be off at this point, and only after you add your eggs, turn it on high, as you see me do there. This is the first key difference between mine and Gordon Ramsay's version. All right, so now let's start scrambling our eggs. Scrambling eggs makes scrambled eggs. You want to constantly stir, okay? Keep stirring this entire time, and it's only going to take like 3 to 4 minutes total, so don't worry, you're not going to get too tired from all the stirring, but you do have to keep stirring. Now, once it gets a little tiny bit hard, take it off the heat. Here's my headless self to demonstrate. Now you can see I'm stirring while it's off the heat, because we don't want an aggressive heat. If I see that it's getting too hot, I take it off. Because this I did learn from Gordon Ramsay, and this is very smart. You want to have it going the entire time on low heat in the pan. We just started it off on high heat because that gets it going, okay? If you just did it from the beginning on low heat, it would have taken you like 20 minutes. So now add some salt, and you basically want to go back and forth. If you see things get a bit too hot, take it off, stir, and that's the main thing. And then you end up with this beautiful, fluffy, wonderful thing. Now, let's get some of these silky smooth eggs. Give them a little taste here. Oh my god. I can't believe this is the best scrambled eggs I've ever made, and I've made these before. This came out best on camera. I can't believe that worked out like that. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Listen to me. I can't describe this, but at first I was worried that I used too much butter. Don't worry about that. Go on a diet the next day. Okay, enough about that. If you guys like this, try that again. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I would love it if you could subscribe to my channel. I always make videos of simple stuff to make that'll take you a few minutes, sometimes an hour, sometimes more, whatever. But it's really good stuff, and click the bell so you can get notified whenever I upload another one. Until next time, baby cook that thing.